Welcome to the A-frame assembly instructions. When you open the cartons, you will find 2 braces, a foot rail, 2 cross rails and 2 A-frame ends. You will need 2 70mm long 5mm hex head screws, 16 15mm long 5mm hex head screws, thread lock and an impact drill. To start, position the A-frame end face up on the floor and place the foot rail over the bottom tab. Apply thread lock to 2 of the 15mm screws and place them through the holes. Use the impact drill to partially tighten the screws. Do not tighten fully until the other side is attached. Apply thread lock to one of the 70mm long screws and attach the brace loosely to the foot rail. Using the 15mm screws again, apply thread lock, place them through the cross brace and partially tighten. Grab the cross rails, identifying the hole alignment, and place them over the tabs on the A-frame end. Apply thread lock, place the screws through the holes and partially fasten together with the drill. Next, slide the second A-frame end tabs into the top of the cross and foot rails. Using the 15mm screws, apply thread lock, place them through the cross rails and partially tighten. Do the same to the foot rail and then attach the cross brace using the last 70mm screw. Use the final 2 15mm screws, apply thread lock and attach the other end of the cross brace. To complete, use the drill to finish tightening all screws. The A-frame is one of our most popular bar frames, available in 2 heights with an option to attach casters and change the brace colour to brass. It comes in 3 length sizes of 12, 15 and 2100, so it is perfect for large or small restaurant or office spaces.